Hi, my name is Simon Binder. I'm a postdoc at the Sulzbacher Group here at the University of Utah. And today I want to present to you our Brain in the Box lab. So in this lab, the students will get an insight into brain implants and neural signal recording. And as a first step, they will record a brain signal from a mock-up brain. And then they will try to extract single action potentials from the signal. For this, they will do some signal processing. For example, thresholding, filtering, clustering to get those single action potentials. Yeah, what I think really adds to the fun of this lab is the way how we arrange the measurement setup. So basically what we did is we modeled the brain out of a conductive hydrogel, so we can feed the sample brain signal to this mock-up brain, and we place this model brain inside a mannequin. So what the students will do is they will place an electrode through an opening in the mannequin head into the brain. So they get the feeling of being a neurosurgeon somehow. So in the lecture, the students learned about electrophysiology, and this lab shows a very exciting aspect of this field in the terms of neuroscience. And especially with the Utah Array, which is a brain implant developed here at the University of Utah, this also gives a nice setting to this lab. So we are very happy to welcome you to this lab and hope you have a lot of fun.